Let me show you how people do incorrect Kapalbhati also, so that if you are also doing this incorrect Kapalbhati, you correct it immediately. So they contract the face like this. So there should not be any tension on your facial muscles. Sometimes some people move their shoulder also, like so. Never move your shoulder, keep the shoulders relaxed. Third mistake, which is very common, people move the spine. How? So never move your spine, keep a like nice erected spine. And third one is people do Kapalbhati keeping the eyes open. They look here and there. Always remember, you are practicing yoga to improve your awareness, to improve your focus and concentration, to become more aware about you. So if you keep your eyes open, that means you are connected from outside. So while doing Kapalbhati, your eyes should be closed, your face should be relaxed, your shoulders are relaxed, there should not be any tension on your spine, nice comfortable seated posture, and you do Kapalbhati like this. Like this. So I hope this is clear now and you are not going to repeat these mistakes.